Well, today I thought I would show you a wonderful scenery here at the Country Gardens and Cottage. It's a beautiful day and you can hear the wind. It is on the crispy side, which is absolutely wonderful for me because being a girl from Maine, this is my kind of weather. So, since I am here, I just want to let you folks know that I will be giving you some more coverage on this area, and I'm so excited to be here. I did produce a couple of videos, but the internet service is not really that great here this week for some reason. I'm not quite sure why. But anyway, when I get back to my studio, I will put everything together and we will move along in this garden and in the coastal garden. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you again next time.